Hi, so welcome back to my channel. And I want you to meet Miguel. Time check is 9:53. Alright guys, so nandito tayo guys sa LRT. Mag-LRT muna yung auto dito. Going to the metro. Masarap din pala mag-bus eh. Masarap din mag-commute. Normally guys, pagka ako lang mag-isa, luluwas ako. Kukommute na lang ako. Di practical, di ba? Mas maigi yun. Mas nakakapahinga ako. Mas nakakatulog ako. Kasi pag nagdadrive ka, pag dadala ka sa sasakyan, drive ka, magastos, gasolina, tollgate, pagod, parking. Alam mo yung pag-probinsano ka, parang hindi ka na sanay ng mga ganong senaryo. Parang mas gusto mo lagi maluwag. But anyways, thank you at maganda naman yung naging biyahe ko. Waiting lang tayo ng train guys. So, ngayon ulit ako makakasakay. Allowed.
Bento yung sa bento.
Ayan guys, ang tricycle ako. At least hindi na ako. Kaya sa picture ni Miss Lau. Nag-vlog siya. Tapos nag-tricycle. No word yung sinasabi. At least dito. Ako lang mag-isa ngayon. Mas pinili ko ng commute na lang. Ngayon, okay, Sunday naman, so hindi naman ganun ka-traffic. Kaya, enjoy lang.
A few moments later.
So, naglalakad na ako guys. Papasok doon sa bahay ng kuya ko. Si Joshua, sinasalubong ako.
Ay, sa vlog.
Pwede pumasok. Hi!
Hi!
Eh, yung ate ko.
Namimiss kita!
Ba? Wala ka sa ganito. Wala na sa ganito.
Iba talaga ang gwapo. Oh, hello!
Hello! Sino? Where's mama? Kanina pa kaya? O kagabi pa kayo? Hi! Kumusta, Mark?
Ang sama natin. Sa BBB?
What's this? Sino bang papakausap mo sa akin? Ito.
Bless!
Uy, marunong mag-bless. Bless. Ay, sige. Ako, Bless. Okay, Bless. What's your name? What's your name? Kathleen. Ano mo? Queen. Queen. Sorry naman. And this guys, what's your name?
Miguel.
You're Miguel. Why are you there?
Mission.
Why are you there? And you are?
I'm Ariana.
You look like your mom. And your name? This is my favorite. This is my favorite actually. My pet.
Ano yung sinabi mo?
My favorite.
Tagalogin mo na lang.
Sige na nga. Ito na nga lang, favorite ko. Ay! Ano pangalan yan? Lalaki yan? Ang tangos ng ilong, ano?
Si Yuri.
Ano? Ay.
Yan yung pamangkin ko na gano'n.
Uy, hindi. Yung pamangkin ko na magaling kumanta.
Ay, oo. Ay, parang ako hindi, sure.
Singer yan, nanalo yan dati. Nagka-trophy ka, di ba?
Oo, nabasag.
Pagkano pinanulunan mo doon? Di ba isang kilong gulay yun? Ito yung favorite ko rin.
Dapat pag pinost mo yan, wala.
Hi, so welcome back to my channel. And I wanted to meet Miguel. Miguel is my grandson, right? He's my grandson. He's the son of my niece, Grace. So Miguel, what's your last name? Piero? Piero. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it right because he's so slang. He's American.
Yes.
He's an American, and
I would like to tell you a story of nobody, somebody, anybody, and everybody.
again.
Yes. So, somebody gave a task to anybody,
Okay.
but everybody was expecting to do it, but only nobody did it.
Oh, that's amazing. Guys, guess who did that? Who told you about it?
You?
Me. Yeah, I mean, that's a story actually, and it's not finished. The story is not finished yet.
What?
Yeah, it's a long story actually. It's a long story. I think it's a one piece of paper to be finished. And I cannot tell you everything because I can't remember all. I can't remember all the from the start to end. But then again, it's understandable. Yeah.
But you made it.
Yeah, I made it.
So why do you remember it?
I remember. I just remember the four friends. Nobody, everybody, somebody, and nobody.
Nobody, anybody, somebody, and everybody.
Anybody, I forgot anybody. My bad. How old are you? No. I'm sorry, but not a proper question. When you say how old are you, it's not a proper. The proper way of questioning the age is
And you already asked me.
no. How young are you?
Young.
Yeah, that's the proper way of questioning or making some questions about the age. It's how young are you? Not old are you?
You are older.
Yeah, the next time you ask questions, let's say you want to say questions to your friends, you want to ask their ages, all you have to do is to ask them, how young are you, friend? Stop using the word old. No, it's young. Right? Tell me more about tell me anything about you because I don't know you yet. It's my first time to meet you.
What about?
I saw you in the Facebook
Well, I like learning tongue twisters.
tongue twisters. Like what?
Like,
Like
Lumano automatic kayosis.
again?
Lumana ultramicroscopic. Numana such a microscopic civil volcanic uses.
Oh my god. Again guys, meet Migs. Kero.
Only Meg.
No, I want all Migs. Because no, Miguel is so oldies. So that sounds too young. Too like a baby. A baby Migs. You get older, let's say when you reach the age of 20, I would start calling you Miguel. But for now, allow me to call you Migs.
No.
No, it's up to you, but I want to call you Migs. It's all. You have nothing to do about it.
My decision.
Your decision, but my decision is to call you Migs.
But it's my fault.
That's your real name, but you know, sometimes you have to create a brand name. Your generic name is Miguel, but your brand name would be Mig.
Wait, my what?
It's just your name, like.
My nickname is Migo.
No, not Migo. Sounds like a car. Wigo. Sounds like a car. What's it, Migo? What? What is that? Migo? It's like a Wigo? Ayan? Where are you? There she is.
Monster.
What's that? Like a monster? No, it's not like a monster. It's like a paper. ito yung mga tambay tuwing hapon. Di ba doon sa Minabuno, pag ito oras, andun na sa tabing kalsada nagtatambay. Kapamustubo. Amo na sila, oh. No, uya, ano? Ba't ka nahiya?
Hindi na lang malaki, hindi naman yung nakaret.
Hoy, wag ka, oh.
Ay, nakatayag yan.
Jinx, baka naman pwede kang mag... baka naman sponsoran mo lang kahit 5 heads lang. Ako nalilibre mo po. Ililibre na ako ni Jinx. Tapos ilang baboy yung kakatayin mo dun, Jinx, para sa amin.
Eh, may mga tatlong tambay doon na walang ano. Pwede na yun.
你在台湾住哪里？啊，我说在桃园，是不是在台北？不是，我的公司在桃园，中部是南部。ano siya? Saan siya sa gitna ba siya ng Taiwan or sa south ng Taiwan? 应该台北的旁边而已。
Hi guys! So for now, that's bye!